Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do May's hits and misses, some of my current favorite beauty products from May, some that I picked up this May, and then some that just missed the mark all together. So before we dive right on in, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit that notification button to be notified every time that I post. If you haven't followed me on any of my social media, all of my usernames is in the description box below, and I will also list all of the products I mention in the description box below also. So let's get started. So the first thing that I bought, honestly the only release thing I bought in May, which was the new Huda Beauty Tancountor Contour Bronzer Cream. And this thing here was complete miss for me. It says for fair, and in all honesty, it was not. It was very dark and muddy looking on me, so definitely wasn't something for me. And that actually is all that is on my misses list for May. To do all of my hits, let's see, I have the new Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray Ultra Matte. I absolutely love this thing. This has really saved my life and upped my makeup game this year. When I go to work, I have a really kind of humid work environment, and I'm already in oil slick, so it doesn't really make it any better. And the temperature can fluctuate back and forth too. It can get really cold and then it can get really hot, and it's like really annoying. So my makeup tends to be dripping off my face by the end of the day, and I absolutely cannot stand it. So since I bought this, my makeup has looked so much better at the end of the day. I could actually go out after and not have to worry about going home and fixing it. So you got me there, Huda. I bought the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette during the Sephora sale. I absolutely love this. This is one of my most reached palettes this month. I know it doesn't look like it, but I really loved the mattes more than I did the shimmers in this palette. I mean, this is so cute. I mean, nice packaging done. The mirror's pretty awesome too. The next thing I would say was a hit for me was the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. It took me a while to pick this one up just because I was very skeptical of it. I mean, like, I have these shades in so many other palettes. I was just like, I really don't think I need it. And then I was like, okay, it's Urban Decay. I love Urban Decay altogether except for their foundation and concealer. So I was like, I'll pick it up, I'll give it a try. I absolutely loved it. If you want to see my review of this, click the teaser card above and you can follow that to my Urban Decay palette review. These are some House of Lashes in the shade, in the style Juillette. I had a pair before and I absolutely love these, so I picked up a second pair, and they're like my go-to eyelashes for this month. So definitely hit up House of Lashes. They are pretty amazing and pretty affordable if you get them from Ulta. During the sale, I also picked up some Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Polish Finishing Powder in the shade Fair. This has really been a nice, like, pressed down powder whenever, like, I feel like I'm getting oil. Like, I kind of am here and here, but I mean, it's 11 o'clock at night, so it's been on since like 9 o'clock this morning, so I'm pretty darn impressed it's even lasted this long before becoming an oil slick. But this has put a little bit on and it kind of takes the oil away, and it's not too dark on me either, and it's not a translucent powder that can make my makeup go crap. It's bad. So yeah. Another thing I also picked up during the sale was the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I've been wanting one for a while now, so I finally did it. Jaclyn Hill made me do it, so it's beautiful. I actually have just a little bit of it on today, not too much. More of the Fenty Fairy Balm, Diamond Balm on me now than anything, as you can tell. Beauty Blender launched a new beauty blender, this yellow one. This thing is gorgeous. It doesn't do it justice on this camera. This is beautiful. Get yourself one. Run and get yourself one. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And last but not least would be the MAC Powdered Kiss lipstick in the shade Sultriness. Mine's a little broken, so we're just gonna have to tolerate it. I mean, it pops out. This is a really gorgeous shade. Made my face out of it. The camera will recognize it, and it's not going to anyway. Has it? Nope. It's gorgeous. I just gotta tell you, it's really, really pretty. I mean, come on. It's a really pretty shade of pink. But when I do it, you can, if I get this close enough, maybe it'll recognize it. No, not today. Oh, there you go. Haha. You can see the dents in it because I can literally just go pop that right out. It's quite annoying. But I don't remember where the box was, and I don't remember which store I bought it from, so just gonna have to keep rolling with it. That is it for the month of May of my hits and misses. I'm hoping to keep this up and maybe do a June and July one. We'll see. Not very many things have been drawn towards me that are releasing, so we'll see. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!